Hey, what's going on, you kings and queens? Welcome back. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to make a Facebook page. And this is different from your personal page. This is more like the brand page or your business page. And it asks all the time from clients of mine, people I know, how to do this. And one thing I actually charge for that I want to, help people beforehand so get the ball rolling even faster for them. And to really help you also get your name out there and do what you love to do. If you don't know me by now, I specialize in helping people in the real estate agency industry get more clientele by putting from authority to authority or using digital marketing to do that. So let's jump right into it. Today is super easy to do this. You can look at my page right here and see that go to your main page. There are a couple options to do this, how to make it really effective for you. You can either go to this arrow, and it will show you all your pages you have now. I have tons of pages I've done. You can use create page there, or to save you a step, go to this create space right there. You got page, ad, group, event, marketplace listing, and fundraiser. All different ones. If you see them above, I've made a video in the past about Facebook ads and how to actually do that yourself, which is a huge thing to do. Pretty much print money off the internet. And that's one of my main services that I do honestly for my clients. But let's do a page. You have a couple options for this. You have business or brand and community or public figure. For my clients, most of them are realtors, so I don't have them do a community or public figure page. But for my personal business, my business marketing, I would use a business or brand page. For this is to keep it super simple and get started on community or public figure page. But for the most part, they're super similar. There are a few tweaks and differences. If you want, let me know below. If you want a different video on different topics on brand versus influence marketing and public figure one. And for this one, it's called teaching you marketing, and category is education. So this one will be used for this one. And while this loads up, I teach way more into this marketing. You probably see my page, a lot of spirituality and personal development, entrepreneurship, the whole 9 yards. Anything to do with becoming our best versions. And this page, I upload a picture for you to use. I always use one I made in the past. And then this is your cover page, which is also huge. It's kind of like your banner. People can go to your page and automatically see what you represent and what you do. I'll use my Your Limitless picture for that one. And when you go up here, at first you probably just see the profile picture for it, not the banner. It takes a couple of minutes for it to upload, but just wait and it will pop up eventually. And Facebook will actually walk you through on how to get the ball rolling on your page and really make it super easy for you to follow. But to go to the next step, after 10 likes, you got more analytics and more metrics you can measure and scale. And I'll have a video coming up soon on how to really get to 100 likes or 1,000 likes on your page. It's pretty simple. I made a video in the past about content marketing, and it's pretty much all about the same avenue of success. It provides so much value. People are not obligated, but want to, show support to you. So you can invite your friends this way. You can also make an ad for your page and so forth. And that's pretty much the basics of making a page. Obviously there's a lot more that goes into it, which I'll touch more on now. But I also made a site in the past about how to make a WordPress site with my friend John. That one's super huge. It goes a lot into Facebook marketing. But the biggest thing what we want to do is, besides having your about section, is now Facebook has updated the buttons. So for me, since I do marketing, let's do a book now one. And it lets you make a schedule on there, which is super huge. Before, you need to have a tool just to do that, and now it comes with it. So put me on Facebook. It's free and it's super helpful. It helps me a lot. Make your own hours, Monday through Friday, what I do right now on here, 9 to 5. hit next. Appointment approval, double booking, and also sync to your Google Calendar so you always are up to date on your next meetings and cancels meetings, anything else you have going on. Just hit next. Like I said before, Facebook literally walks you through each step, makes it super helpful. And you list your services, whatever you do. Maybe you make content, maybe you're a writer or a copywriter, or maybe you do coaching, whatever the case might be. My biggest thing I sell for my clients is ads, and my average price is $1,500 a month before ad spend, and I take you from zero to hero in ads. And then this is really nice and saves a lot of time because it says 30-minute long appointment, and they're there for that one reason. This is super huge on like when you're actually doing the sales process of marketing, is having a goal and agenda in line for the conversation. Hit next. You can also do Instagram as well. So let's say you have a huge following on Instagram, you also have appointments made to that avenue. It'll take a lot of time. Not now. Now you understand the basis of it. So now you get the book me section. You can come here. You can actually show you add appointments. You can test it out, dates available, and so forth. Let's go back to our page again. You're gonna see what that's all about. And you can like, follow, you can sell to your friends so people can see what's going on with that, or other pages. Edit page info. This is going to be your main thing you want to do when you open your new page. Add a description, add a category so you can find it easier. Phone number if you want to, website, email, where you're located at, your hours of operations, the pictures of your product, and the privacy link if you want to. And it's all going to be the same stuff on here, so it'll confuse you. But you also go to here, test a button if you want to test a button to promote your get bookings so people can see it better. But at first, promoting your website is not that effective until you have stuff going on there, or have already, have somebody who's super savvy in marketing for you. But for this section, let's go to our about section, 7 down. And then we can add more stuff like a username. For me, mine called is Marketing King. When people see marketing, they automatically see my name without even knowing who I am, which is like an SEO built in Facebook. Getting a phone number, email, websites, release date, edit your about section, a little short description there you can do. I bring people from obscurity to authority, or putting their brand to the spotlight using marketing techniques. You can have your menu, which is also your services, your tell people about your business, like what your why, your mission statement, and what you do. Because nowadays people don't buy from people that they just see online. Now if they like you, know you, and trust you. So having that is huge. Makes sure it's actually long enough for people to know what's going on. And that is pretty much making a Facebook page in a nutshell. Like, it's super simple. After you do it, it takes you like 5 minutes to set one up. And after that, it's content, reaching out to people, and really making it super engaging, having a fun thing, which I'll go more into in the future. But if you found it super helpful, definitely drop some likes. And if you know somebody who needs to learn how to make a Facebook page, or you know somebody out there struggling making one, definitely tag your friends and sell this to them as well, so they can benefit from this tutorial I made for you guys. And I have way more videos coming out soon. I post every Monday and Thursday. Normally one about marketing and business, and next one about like personal development or mindfulness or spirituality, whatever the case might be. I have those two things as well as motivation. Again, all kings and queens. The world is yours, but it all starts with you. Love you all. Keep on changing the world.